shepherds and follow the star. Come on and rise up, rise up, rise up, rise up, shepherds, and hurry to the manger. Rise up, rise up, rise up, rise up, shepherds, and follow the star. 2000 years ago, the birth of Jesus was first known to the shepherds. And today we have come before you to narrate the story of Christmas. Long time ago in Bethlehem, so the Holy Bible says, Mary's boy child, Jesus Christ, was born on Christmas Day. Yes, men will live forevermore because of Christmas Day. And for this reason, let's celebrate by deck the halls. Deck the halls with boughs of holly, la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la. Tis the season to be jolly, la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la. Don we now our gay apparel, la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la. All the ancient Yuletide carols, la-la-la-la-la-la-la. See the wish you all a Merry Christmas.
That's all in the second episode of Mongenie's Christmas Carol Singing Competition. Send in your feedback at features@prudentmedia.in. If you have missed this episode or want to recommend to your friends, log on to www.prudentmedia.in. Until we meet next time in the finale episode to see who won the Mongenie's Christmas Carol Singing Competition, it's me Rohit signing off. Take care, goodbye and stay happy.
This event brought to you by Mongenie's.